Let's go. Let's see. Let's go. See, let's get this thing started. Let's see. I think I'm supposed to be telling you guys when I'm going live. Should be easier than just getting this thing done. Anyways, what's up, guys? Welcome. Welcome back to my channel. Well, let's see. It's been a little bit of a rough day. I know I've been working like, yeah, this is one of the reasons why I do this. Okay, I am trying to quit this thing, quit this job, and go from zero to a millionaire status. That's the one of the reasons. But so far, we are not close to that yet until King Casper does his thing. I know this is going to be a how you say, I'm still learning how to do this live thing, how everybody's talking about it. And now let's see if I get it right. Yesterday I apologize, and the internet here is next to, I don't know, this place. The internet is so slow, it's not even funny. I apologize if you cannot hear me. And again, I just I don't know. Oh, what's up, man? How are you doing? How are you doing today? Yeah, I'm trying this live thing again. One thing is, I got my new phone, and right now, as you guys can see, it is transferring everything from my the other phone, and it'll be way better than using the Wi-Fi to do all this live. I think it's way better. Uh, what up? What's up, Jones? How are you doing? How's everything? Yeah, it's like I said, it's an interaction. Making it live, you go, you're watching it, right, and instead of just uploading the video, which sometimes it will go. How do you say this? It will go. You will see it, but it will be a little late. Um, no, brother. No, money is not gonna trickle down, man. It's not gonna happen. Don't make that mistake. A lot of people they are gonna get left holding the hot potato. I don't know about you, but brother, listen. I am ready to eat the hot potato. Hello, my friend. Hello, life. How are you? How are you, man? How are you? Welcome. Welcome to the stream, man. Like, welcome. But yeah, I am very, very ready to eat the hot potato for a lot of people are going to have it. Okay. Again, since I was doing my videos in the truck at work, I forgot my mug over there. So you guys are going to excuse me. I'm not trying to get advertisement. Okay, I'm not trying to get advertisement for these guys, but excuse me. But I'm going to start the video like usual. What's up, guys? Welcome. Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And so am I. And that being said, well, you guys already know I don't have my mug, but let's take a sip of energy drink. I'm trying to turn it around. That way the brand doesn't show and I don't get it. I don't get penalized. Let's take a sip of energy because we already know everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Casper. So I'm trying to, how do I do it? That way that it doesn't show up, right? So, yeah. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we look at market performance for the past 24 hours. I know a bunch of people are jumping bridges right now. Nobody. After that, take a look at our positions. And right after that, yeah, we'll take. You guys already know a lot of people are expecting Rec City. But are we buying Lambos yet? Say, how was you? Well, what do you think of pre-sales and one called block dag? Man, listen, that block dag, I told a lot of people stay away from that thing because that is the biggest rock pool you are going to see. Block dags supposed to be proof of work. Okay, that one they call block dag is a proof of stake because they are talking about. I was talking to one of the guys who is involved, like heavily involved with it the other day, and he went not the other day when it first came out. Okay, and they said something about oh, you're gonna get airdropped, and that right there, red flag. How do you get a red blood? How do you get airdropped on a coin that has not been mined? Does that makes any sense? It doesn't. So you can't get no airdrop on a coin that has not been mined unless it has been mined and they are holding it somewhere. Okay. And if it has been mined, that means the founders or the developers, whoever that is doing this, had already accumulated a bag before, letting the public know about it, which is, yeah, that, my friend, I don't think it's something that uh, you want to partake. Okay, I don't think it's something that you would love to do. Excuse me for a second. Let me see if I can open my BYDFi here. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm trying to set up my phone at the same time. That way, we will have. Let me see. Organize your data transfer. Blah blah blah. Go to home screen. Well, I guess it is ready to go. Huh. Ain't that something? Well, so now it's better. Okay, now it's better. See, I just got my brand new phone, and everything should be fine from now on here. So let's go. Said I'm here for the daily markets update. Yeah, I'll always give you guys that daily markets update because it's way better. Okay, it's super. A lot of people I don't know how to do this. Okay, I don't know how to do this. For me, I like to look at my charts way simpler in a very simple way. That's how I like to look at them. I don't need no Fibonacci's, no cats and dogs jumping the hoop and all that stuff. That is not me. I have a simple way of reading my chart. And those of you who follow my channel, wink, 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 wink. Those of you who follow my channel, if you can read in between the lines, yeah, you will make a lot of money with it. So that's the truth. Say, could you ask you if you one we think of pre-sales? Yeah, that's already said. And I'm here for the daily update. Really enjoy your approach to encouraging brothers and crypto to come and like, of course, man, of course, that is my way. Okay, this is my way of telling guys like crypto, okay, is here to make people money. Understand? One thing a lot of people don't get is like you have to be in there first before everybody and their grandmama gets in there. That is the thing. Because those of them who got into Bitcoin, okay, those of them who got into Bitcoin before anybody else did, my friends, they are super duper rich right now. Okay, they are so rich right now, it's not even funny. So if you're gonna sit there and wait, like I see guys saying that every time, oh, Binance has not listed it, Binance is not doing this blah blah blah. That is how you lose. That is how you lose an opportunity. Okay, that's how you lose an opportunity. It's simple. I know if you Google something, it's not going to give you a complete overview of it. Okay, but if you put on your detective hat on, once you do that, it's going to lead you to a different rabbit hole. You start going into these projects one after one. You start going, who's the founder? How does it work? Because trust me, guys, back in 2016, I knew nothing about crypto. Nothing. As a matter of fact, I had a guy that used to work with me. and he told me about Bitcoin back in 2011, something like that. And you know what my attitude was? Can I touch it? Like I said, my attitude was, can I touch it? And since I could not touch it, I didn't get into it. And that was one of the biggest mistakes ever, because back in 2011, Bitcoin was less than $1, if I'm not remembering wrong, right? So when you start to do your own research and not wait for Binance, OKX, and all those people to list it, you see the potential right there. And once you see the potential, guys, the real money, you start to see it. You start to see the real money. And once you start to see the real money, you know, yeah, yeah. But my thing is, guys, I'm not the kind of person who wants to make money just for myself. That's my thing. I want to make money. I want my circle. Like I told you guys in one of my videos, I want a situation in which, if let's say I'm in your city, okay, and you're like, oh, MMJ is here, yo, let's hook up. I pull up in my apocalypse truck. You damn sure better pull up in some better than my truck. You understand? You better pull up in the Lambo or the latest Corvette or something. That is me. Now, how do we achieve this? Is by finding those things that will take us from zero to a millionaire status. My way of doing it, first, I find cryptos. Like I told you guys, after in this bear market, I will start including stocks that I'm looking at. And the reason why I am not including stocks right now is because the market is far gone. Okay, if you notice, I am not showing you guys my Bitcoin trade because I do not want anybody FOMOing into Bitcoin right now. Because Bitcoin, we are almost hitting that banana zone. When price starts to go up, everybody and their grandma will become a Bitcoin expert, and and a lot of people lose a lot of money. Hey, let me know, can you hear me better? Is the internet, is it like cutting out or something? Please let me know if you can hear me better, because I'm looking at myself and it seems to be working perfect. Okay, let's see here. uh is the how is you, could you ask you what you think of? Okay, I'm here, daily market. Okay, really enjoy your approach to encouraging people. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, hey man, hey, what's up, Das? How you doing? Yo, my favorite brother from another mother, Goku. What's up, brother? Man, it depends on what you're going to do with that SS. Okay, I have something. They say us engineers will do crazy stuff. On mine, once I get my SS, I'm going to make it a four-wheel drive. Man, people say it's impossible, but I have a way, right? I want to make it a four-wheel drive. That way, those Chevelles, when they take off, since they are rear wheel, the nose usually lift. I want to eliminate that. I want to have a four-wheel drive. That way it will be a faster takeoff, if a more burnout and stuff like that. You understand what I mean. This will be Casper Summer. Hello. Yeah, man, it's gonna be Casper Summer. And that's one of the things I am about to show you guys right now. Because like you want to get into these projects, okay? When they are still coming up. You do not want to get in there after everybody and their grandmama have had their bags full and then Binance listed, okay? Yeah, we buying Lambos here. Man, I don't know about you, man, but I'm looking at that Bentley GT Continental Cube. That's what I'm looking at, man. That's 700 horse Bentley, man. You see it now. Now I'm beginning to think about a song on my head. 700 horse Bentley. Yeah, that's my deal right there. Say, look like Quant would make us buy Lambo soon. I told you, right? Man, listen back. I don't want to say it yet. I will say it when it happened. But as you guys can see, look at Quant. Quant is a perfect example on what Casper is about to do. Casper's already started showing the signs. Okay, the same signs that Quant was showing when it was like 50, $60. And those of you who joined my millionaire journey, you guys remember it was just a couple months ago, and I was telling guys like, pay attention to Quant. Quanti, Quanti, look at Quant. And people were not listening, right? And that is the same thing happening to Casper right now. Casper is developing. If you go look, Casplex came out. Come on, man. Come on. You can't want the same Bentley like me. I need some. I need to be able to beat you at some. You bring another car, I bring a Bentley. I will tune mine and let's see who's better. Anyways, see, right now, Casper came out, Casplex came out with their testnet. Okay, I haven't figured out how to run it. I've been researching about it online since yesterday. Now you see the KII, they have updated their own roadmap too, which again, what does that tell you? It tells you guys, Eager Lab. Eager Lab is about to launch. Okay, again, we're going to have, like they said themselves, we are going to have Eager Lab. Excuse me. We are going to have Eager Lab sometime this summer. Okay, so I will share. Let me share because they just brought their roadmap. They just updated it, and everything looks very, very interesting. Okay, excuse me, man. I drank this energy drink, and it's giving me hiccups. Anyways, now let's see. Let me show you something right quick, okay? Because I want to show you what the KII, their new updated their new updated roadmap, what it looks like. Say, hey, my Casper Maxi friend, what do you think about ZEO token of Casper's first desk? Okay, you have to be careful, okay? You really, really have to be careful because everybody talking about tokens right now on Casper ecosystem when smart contracts have not really, really launched. Yeah. 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 So for me, it's best if you want to get into Casper's ecosystem. I'm waiting, guys. I already told you guys the coins that I'm going to buy once they go live, right? I already told you guys to pay attention to one. If Eager Lab has a token, I'm buying it. I don't care whether it performs good or it performs bad. I'm buying it because it looks like it's going to be a good way to make money. And two, Casplex. I don't know if since they are non-profit, I don't know if they're going to have a token or not. But if they do, I am buying it. And number three, Sparkle. If Sparkle gets a token out, I am buying it. And now, once the ecosystem goes live, I will start getting into first of all finance tokens. Okay, I'll get into finance tokens, those that we require for you to stake and do this stuff and blah blah blah. And it's things like you see Quant, the rumors have started to spread. They are not official yet, but it looks like Quant will be migrating to Casper once this thing goes live. So yeah, I hope they do, because staying on Ethereum is going to really like hinder them a lot. You guys can see this project that they are working on. We have Solana Pay, okay, Crashilandia Pay, and they have Caspay. See, now the developers from Solana Pay, they are starting to try and move into Caspay, because like that's why I told you, developers are not stupid. They know very well that projects on Casper are going to do way better than any other chain. So I don't think they're going to let people develop those things. So once this EVM compatible layer and on either Casplex or Eager Lab goes live, you are going to see these people migrate like have you ever seen the migration in Africa safari, the Serengeti, right? That's what you're going to see. Okay, so you see people, and most people don't pay attention to it, but that is where it is going to happen. Okay, so let's look. I was trying to show you guys this right quick. Let me share my screen so that you can see this. Share my screen, and we're going to share Casplex right here. Okay, see, this is what I'm talking about. See, Casplex, they already updated their 25. Oh, sorry, the KII. They already updated their 2025 roadmap. As you can see, setup matters, priority of for projects. See, it has started. Relationship building with the KII partners and investors. Okay, team expansion, KII annual. This is going to be on the Q1, okay, which they already finished. Q2, again, you start to see what's going on here. I'm telling you guys, this begins everything. And once I think this summer they are waiting for that Eagle Lab to go live. Because once Eagle Lab goes live, okay, you see continued monitoring KI programs, which again, you guys already know, we've discussed about them here so many times, so many times, okay? And you have this is what I'm waiting for, okay? Work core. This work core, guys, is going to bring so much money in the Casper ecosystem, it ain't gonna be funny, okay? So those of you who don't understand why I am so bullish on Casper, this work core right here, guys, work core, you see, first of all, it's going to be the feasibility studies of and the white paper of work core that will post it, prototype development, ISO certification. The ISO, those of you talk, that's why I keep telling you, like, XRP is in big trouble once Casper gets those smart contract. XRP and all of them, they are in big trouble. The layer ones, layer twos, maybe they can migrate to Casper and have that. But layer ones, like you have XRP and the rest of them, they are in huge trouble. And you have the internal testing and feedback collection. We have the financial development, refinement, MVP launch, and global showcase. This will happen this summer, and you will see it. Okay, so they updated, and after that, look, ZX, the exchanger, we are going to have the first real world asset. We say collaboration with Tether to define standards for transparent carbon market. The carbon credit. This is trillions of dollars market cap asset. I'm telling you, once this thing goes live on Casper, I know people call me Moon Boy, but guys, this, my friends, is and that is not that's not even the only thing. Cash Union, this one is that is going to bring so much money to the Casper eco. Even funny. So yeah, people look at those kind of stuff, and I keep telling you, guys, Casper is a $10 coin. Is a $10 coin. It will happen before you could even blink. I'm telling you guys. Okay, you might call me a moon boy for this and blah blah blah, but Casper is a $10 coin. That's what it is. Okay, let's see. And what much this will be Casper Summer. We I don't know about you, man, but I'm looking at that Bentley. I'm looking at it so bad. Let's say here say we can't see your screen. Hey, you can't see my screen? Let me see. You couldn't see when I share it. Let me do it again. Let me do. Excuse me. Let me do it again. Let me do this, and I want to share. Here. Here. Now, can you see it? Let me know if you can see, please. Oh, so yes. Okay. Okay, please let me know if the screen now, so that I think, like I told you guys, I am a little bit I'm a little bit new with this. So yeah, as you guys can see, it is happening. Things are happening without any delays on that. Because like, yeah, if you look at the way they are doing stuff, okay, look, let me start all over again. Because as you guys can see, map is live. KII 2025 roadmap. This, I told you, development comes first. Development is something that when you get in a project, that is the first thing that you have to look at. Are they working? Are they doing what they promise to do? Are they delivering? Okay. When you see they're doing Binance, OKX, my grandma's exchange, my dog jumping, my cat running around, those things don't matter. okay, if they are developing, because price action, guys, real organic price action will come, okay, after the development. I told you, it's a perfect example. I was here beating the chest, beating everybody's door about quant when they were still developing, when they were doing the digital money, they were doing this ISO, they were doing all that stuff. And what did I get? A lot of people, yeah, it's a stable coin, it's going back to $10, it's going this and that. Now quant has started showing price action, right? So people, they have started to realize like, oh, maybe these crazy guys was up to something. You understand? It has started to happen, and many people so far, oh, they want to start FOMOing in, and that FOMO, my friends, is what is going to lead for quant $700, $1,000, 1,700, $3,000. I don't think we have enough time, but let's see. I've seen crazier things happen in this market, but I've always said it that quant is a $5,000 coin or a $5,000 token. But yeah, let's wait and see how things play out. Okay, so oh, excuse me. Let me go back and then let me scroll it down. As you guys can see, okay, quarter one, quarter two. For me, this is where it all begins. Okay, this is where it all begins. War core. War core is where it all begins. War core, it invites the carbon credits. They start talking to really trade them. And again, those of you who doubt price action, okay, I told you we're about to look at my chart in a second. Okay, we're about to look at it in a second, but price action will come later. War core is trillions and trillions of dollar asset class. That's what it is. And you put that on Casper, my gosh, my gosh. You'd be like, yeah, okay. So for me getting in there in Casper before it happened, that is the icing on the cake. When everybody else is running, because what you hear right now is people talking about, oh, it's going back down to 1 cent and stuff like that, and nobody's really paying attention to what is really going back in the background. Now, if you keep on looking at it, you will see again. Look, ZX. That's what I've been telling you guys. Okay, what these people are waiting for is these smart contracts. Okay, I'm pretty sure ZX is going to go live with Casplex or Lab. Once these things go live, you start trading carbon credits, and that again, my friends, that is another thing that is going to make you a lot of money. That's your advice, but another wink, wink, wink. That is going to make you a lot of money, because these carbon credits, once they go live, you can buy them and hold. And now, most people don't understand how carbon credit works. Let me give you a simple explanation, okay? A simple explanation of how carbon. For example, we do have refineries. I am an engineer, I work in the oil industry. Refineries, they pollute a lot of air, okay? And that pollution, they get fines. They get fines by the government. In the United States, they get fines by the environmental agency, the EPA, the OSHA, all of them. They get fined. But these companies, to reduce the fines, they acquire carbon credits. And this is where you and me, this is where it kicks in for us. Okay, let me stop sharing right quick. This is where it kicks in for you and me, the opportunity, which means you can buy those carbon credits and hold them. Okay, you buy carbon credits, again, not financial advice, it's just another wink, wink, wink. that's, that's what it is. You buy these carbon credits because they are going to be on high demand, not just for refineries, petroleum. It's going to be natural gas. It's going to be the fishing industry. Anybody polluting the earth or the atmosphere is going to want to acquire carbon credits. Okay, the price shoots, you sell, I sell, and we make that money. That's where it's coming. So you watch out when these things go live. There are going to be stocks, there are going to be cryptos, there are going to be stuff like that which you can trade. Okay, say the Eagle Lab roadmap. Let me see. It went black when you wanted to show it. Okay, so let me try it again. Did you? Let me see. Let me see. Let go right here. Man, I hate this live stream to do this, but let's go. Share and here. Let me know. Can you see it now? Let me know. Can you see? Can you see the Eagle Lab? My share screen. See there. I don't know why the audio is coming out. I think it's going to be the Wi-Fi that I'm using in the hotel I'm staying. I will try right now, like I told you guys. Right now I have my new phone and this is really transferring everything. As you guys can see, I will start going live more on my phone, and I don't think this audio problems is going to be happening again. So yeah, I apologize. I apologize if it looks like that right now, but I will start giving you guys some kind of heads up so you will know when I go live, upload those videos. Okay. So yeah. So okay, good, it works. Good, it works. Guys, it's a new thing for me. I'm trying it out. I've never done lives before. This is gonna be my second live stream. So okay, now let me end the sharing. There you go. There you go. So yeah, those things are things that are coming on, and people are not paying attention. I was talking to somebody the other day, and they're talking about, well, Casper wouldn't run if it is not listed on tier one exchanges, and I'm going like, really? oh, oh my God, man. Hey, what's up, the pro? Yeah, welcome to my live stream. It's been a little messed, but yeah, we kicking along with it, right? Let's see. Example live. No apologies. You're going great. Okay, thanks, man. Thank you. Thanks, man. It's just here that this thing does this. But yeah, say Casper price showing a lot of weakness. Hope it pulls through BTC before BTC. No, it is just panic selling. Okay, I'm going to show you guys in a second, and you will see it. It is just panic selling. People usually look at Bitcoin and whatever that Bitcoin does. A lot of people don't even like sit and think about it. Okay, for me, like I said, price action on Casper started May 5th. May 5th, that's when we started to see that uptrend. It's okay. Market goes up, comes down a little bit, comes down a little bit. Like I said, I don't know how much it is going to take for you to be how you call it. Let me see. I'm enjoying your live, my friend, but miss your recorded. Yeah, I'm going to start doing it. Like I told you guys, my phone finally came, and I finally have one. I'm going to start recording the live, well, the videos again and uploading them. So, but yeah, there's some people, I don't know how much it's going to take for you. Some people, they make life-changing money at 12 cents and they sell. Okay. Me, even if Casper goes to $10, I am not touching my bag. I don't know about you, but I'm not touching my bag because I know it is a generational wealth. Have you ever sometimes tried to picture Casper 10 years from now or 15 years from now? Try to picture it, because once by then I am seeing Casper, okay, being mainstream, being out there, probably top two, or if not overtaking Bitcoin, being the number one asset. Because what matters in crypto space is developing, people using it, people buying and selling it. I'm seeing Casper overtaking Bitcoin. Okay, because Bitcoin time is coming. Everybody and their grandmama is going to realize it. They're talking about Bitcoin being what do you call it, reserve asset. But again, how many people going to trade Bitcoin? And a lot of people don't see it. It's like, for a chain to be alive, there has to be an incentive. There has to be. Okay, right now it's mining for Bitcoin. Go try mine Bitcoin. Okay, try mining Bitcoin. It's so difficult and expensive. It's not even funny. Some people pull thousands and thousands of dollars in there and end up can't even make money out of it. Imagine how what will happen when the mining comes to a slowdown or finish, because people are going to turn down those machines. Okay, that means security of Bitcoin will become in question. People will start asking about that. Less hash rate, less people mining it, and then security will become a question like, okay, now what? Okay, now what? So that's the thing. But for Casper, it's a different thing. Okay, so I'm telling you, it's going to happen sooner than later. It's going to happen. Okay. For me, I want to be in that boat before it happened rather than sit here and, oh man, I should have got it. I should have done this. I should have done that. I've already done that when Bitcoin started. Imagine if you have got into Bitcoin in 2011 or 20, even 2014, you'll be a monkey's uncle by now. You'll be a monkey's uncle. Say, let's see here. I'm enjoying life, my friend, but missing your okay. Like I said, man, you're gonna start seeing more of my uploaded videos as from tomorrow. Okay, this live stream, I'm trying to make it either once or twice a week thing. Okay, totally appreciate your. It's Come on, man. Yes, I know, man. You guys got to understand something. Life is not about being serious. Okay, life is all about making people happy. Understand? Every other people, every all the YouTubers, they come out here, open the chart, read the chart, 10 minutes, and they're out, gone. That is not what I don't believe it should be that way. Okay, for me, I think life is about, the mood you set in. Sometimes, I don't know, you might be tuning in a bad mood by the time you tune into my video. My goal is not just to see people, like-minded people, who will go from zero to a millionaire status with me. That is not just the thing. Okay. My goal is try to make you unwind. Okay, you tune into my channel, and if you had a bad day, give you something to laugh about. Some to let you see that, yeah, there is always better things in life. Okay, that is one of my goals. Okay, so if you tune into my channel and I make you laugh, you forget about your troubles for a little bit. Yeah, I'm doing my job. Okay, that's me. There was an article on Forbes for about Casper. Yeah, see, that was a couple of days ago. Okay, although I tweeted about it and I told them I don't like the title, but they need to change it because Casper is not an Israeli coin. Casper is borderless. Casper is decentralized. So I don't like that they call it an Israelite coin. It's not that. But yeah, you see, a lot of people are bearish on Casper, but you pay attention. See, those big money, they know about Casper. They know exactly what is going to happen. Okay, so that's another, again, that's why I'm saying it again. You need to be in this project before everybody and their grandmama gets into it, because by then it it's going to be too late. Okay, so you will be here either way. No need to apologize. Will be here either way, man. It's a millionaire journey, brother. It's a millionaire journey. Okay, and soon we will sit here and I will be like, yep, I told you so. You will see. It is happening slowly. Say audio choppy. Ah, crap. Let me see. I think I will go live on my cell phone. That is going to be way better than this. Okay, way better. I don't know if I can do it at the same time, or should I end this one and start another one? Maybe the next one. Okay, next one I will go on my cell phone. Is it still Is it still better? Is the audio better now? Is the audio better, or should I change it? Let me see. Excuse me. Let me try something. Maybe I can do this. Excuse me for a second. Where is my settings? Let me see. Let me see. Let me try. Let me try something. Okay. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be way better because like the Wi-Fi here really is nasty. I don't understand why, but it is really nasty. So let me see. Let me see. Yeah, I just got my brand new phone. It's still configuring. So I wanted to use my own cell phone or Wi-Fi, like a hotspot to my computer. Maybe that will help the it will help the what do you call it, the audio better. Okay, so please bear with me. This is going to be the last time it is going to be like this. I'm going to make sure that probably use my cell phone to go live, or probably tether it using my data, and make sure it is better this way. Okay, so let's see. Uh, say say MMJ, try reducing streaming video quality. May fix the okay. Let me see. Streaming video. How do I do this? Go to settings. This is live overlay breaks. Nah, not this one. Yo, how do I see Discord changes? Yes, Discord. How do I do that? Can I do it while I'm live, or can I do it after before I go live? Let's see. You don't have access to this feature. Uh, Come on. I will figure it out, guys. I will figure it out, and this should be able to give me a way to fix this choppy audio stuff. Because yeah, I don't know, I don't understand why. I'm pretty sure it's because of the Wi-Fi that I'm using right now. If not for that, it should be go better. Okay, can you hear it better now, or is it something I need to fix again? uh, Audio is perfect. Okay, okay, thanks guys, thanks. So let's see, still working. Hope Casper will help me retire until next boot run. Man, we're on the same boat. We are on the same boat. Because I'm telling you, Casper, man, I'm not just a Casper Maxi for something. Casper is generational wealth. And a lot of you will come to understand it when all this development starts to go live. Okay, you will come to understand it. Let's look at price action right quick. Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at trading view. Let's see trading view, because yesterday the funniest thing, okay, funniest thing on trading view was like on Casper's price. When I was telling you guys, you do remember, can you see my share screen? Let me know if you can see it before I continue, please. Let's see. Okay, perfect. See, this is what I was telling you guys yesterday. Everybody and their grandmama was looking at price action coming down. And if you've been paying attention to my Casper's chart, okay, my wink, wink, wink. If you've been paying attention to it, I've been telling guys this right here. Okay, you have to pay attention. Like when it broke out the first time, I told you, I like when price breaks out. But one thing I do not like, not just on Casper's chart, any asset that I'm trading, be it crypto, be it stock, be it gold, silver, whatever, I like when price breaks out, comes and retests the previous resistance. Because if we go back a little bit, okay, you will see. Let me try to zoom out. See that white line? Huge, huge resistance. Okay, it was an enormous resistance. Like here, we couldn't break it, we couldn't break it, we couldn't break it. Excuse me. Finally, it broke it. And up, I do remember when price was going like 13, 14, 12, 13 cents. And I told you guys, it's nice and gravy, but we do want to see this previous resistance get retested. We do want to see it. And most people call me something else because people did not believe it until the unthinkable happened. And when price was coming down, I was telling you guys, okay, it's normal. Okay, we need to retest this previous resistance, turn it into support. As you guys can see, we came right on the money, bounce and keep going. And again, if you look at it, ribbon is spreading out and it's curving. Okay, it is curving. As you guys can see, it is really, really curving. And something else that people are not paying attention is when you go on the daily. Okay, if you go on the daily, let me zoom it out a little bit. can see it. Let me zoom it out. Give me a second. Right there. If you go on the daily, you will see this. Despite all this price action falling, look at the ribbon. Excuse me. Look at the ribbon, right? Ribbon is still green and is shooting upwards. Okay, it's still green and is shooting upwards. So that, my friends, oh my God, it's really, really. Give me a quick second, please. Yeah, apologies. I got still got to be daddy. Daddy duties don't wait. So, anyways, yeah, this is exactly what I was telling you guys. Okay, can you hear me? Okay. Let's see. Oh, if you can hear me, okay, please. That will make sure that the audio is not choppy and is not breaking out. Uh, Break this ribbon indicator on the charts. Yeah, listen, the ribbon indicator, there is ways you have to tune it. Okay, the way I have it tuned is not. I don't think is this the same way it's going to work for you. It works for different people different ways. I tuned it based on my trading strategy. Okay, that's what I tune it like. So you have to play along with it. It's just the normal one, but when you change those numbers, that's why my ribbon. Some people have told me like once they use my ribbon, it doesn't change color like mine changes at that exact time. And so yeah, it depends on how you set it up. Okay, my ribbon is this way because that's the way I trade it. I'm a long-term trader. The settings that I have on it are for long-term traders. They are not for day traders. So if you want to use it for daily trading, it's going to really mess you up. So that is the difference for me. But what I was telling you guys is, despite this price uh, yeah, I found same kind of ribbon on Trading View. Yeah, it is on Trading View, but you have to mess with the settings. Okay, you have to go around and play with the setting until you get it done. Say there is nothing bad about your life. Sounds and looks great. The only that the black there was a blank screen. Oh yeah. Thank you, man. Thank you. So can you see my screen now? Just if it is still blank to you, let me know, please. Okay. So yeah, despite the bad price action, you guys can see we came bounce right on the money. Look at the next daily candle is already green. So if you want to look at it this way, this was a huge, huge bull flag. Okay, that's what it was. Which again, once we bounce here, we are breaking out. And once we are breaking out, we can move this white line, okay, because this was not a breakout. This was a fake out, come back to retest. So if we move that white line from there and put it right here, okay, if we put it there, that will show you that, okay, next move right now, The next is this yellow line. Okay, this yellow, this one, that's the next move, which will take Casper all the way to 18 cents. That's what it is. Okay, you can see it right here. Yeah, my chart looks a little bit dirty. I have a lot of lines right there that mean a lot to me. Like again, you can see me, I like to plan ahead. Okay, you can see, for example, this white, this blue line right here, when I will start opening my Bitcoin longs. As you can see here, is November 2026. Somewhere here, I will open my Bitcoin long. Okay, so my chart is a little bit, it helped me trade better. Like I said, everybody, again, wink, wink. Everybody has their own trading specific, how you call it, their own trading way of doing it. So me, it doesn't matter to me what the price is going to be here in my blue line. My Bitcoin long goes live. I don't care if it's still falling, if it is rising, whatever it happens. I don't look at price. I open my longs. So yeah, my chart is like futuristic to me. Okay, so see here, AMJ, hope you can tell a bit about cash FUD between the community. Guys, this is what we talked about yesterday. I do not invest, okay? I don't, let's go back here. I do not invest based on what Shy is doing or based on what whoever is doing. I don't care. They are human beings, okay? Everybody has their own likes, everybody has their own way of expressing themselves, okay? Somebody like me, I will tell you, when things are not going my way, when I feel frustrated, I go to the gym. I go to the gym and start lifting weights or run or something. Or sometimes if I'm too tired, I do is like start composing music. That's what I do. I don't. Everybody's how do you say it? It's different based on how they deal with stuff. Okay, you cannot base your entire. I mean, come on. You can base um your investment based on whether somebody is is tweeting or is not tweeting, or this is not happening and this is this and that. You can't base your investment on that. Seriously, you can't. If you do that, you are going to lose a lot, because Casper is bigger than one developer or two developers. It's an open source. If Shy leaves, there's going to be somebody else who's going to pick up the tab. Okay, there is a lot of people that know the potential for how you say it, they know the potential of Casper. So if you want to base your investment, how you say it, if you want to base your investment based on Shy is doing this and the other one is doing that, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, it's just FUD, and those FUD, people will use that a lot. People will use that a lot. People are so mad because they miss the Casper entry. People are so mad because they miss that 0.00 price level, right? They missed it, and now the only way they can come with this is by telling telling everything that they can about it. But we are still here because, first of all, people like me, I don't care about that. My question is, number one, are they still developing? Even after the fighting on Twitter, are they still developing? Yes. Even after all this FUD, blah, 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 is Casper still moving on with smart contracts, everything else? Yes. So, what does it matter? Okay, what does it matter? It doesn't matter to me. Okay, so you guys have to understand it. You cannot base your investment based of Twitter, base of how do you say it, based on how somebody think about this and that. You can't base that. It's normal. Things like that happen. People will be friends, people will be enemies, people will do whatever they have to do. Okay, it is okay. So when you start looking at that, you will start thinking about, it's just like meme coins. Okay, meme coins, their price action is based on somebody tweeting or somebody, somebody going over giving it that hype. That is what it is based on. So if you base your investment based on that, you are not, my friends, you are not going to make a lot of money. What happened to Sui? What happened to Hakilandia? Come on, man. Don't tell me you don't know what happened to Hakilandia. Hakilandia is having a very rough time. It's having a very rough day. Okay. And again, you're about to see Hakilandia even worse when Caspa and the rest of their, their grandmama go live. You will see. Okay, it is something that most people are not paying attention to, and I've been telling you guys, pay attention to Casper. Okay, now let's look right here. Let's go look at we've looked at that. Let's look at what you call it. Let's look at quant right quick. QNT. See, this is what I'm telling you. Everybody's telling you, look at Casper, bounce. Like, it is funny, right? All this fur these people are giving you. I told you, pay attention to Casper. It don't say, because those things are just huge, huge W. That's what it is forming. See, down, up, we're going to hit that target again. We're going to hit it, that 12 cents, and you're about to see this thing go even more. Look at it, even on the 1 hour. See, look at the 1 hour. Ribbon has already turned green. And yesterday I was telling you, look at the ribbon, it's curving, right? There's a lot of bullish momentum on it. So yeah, do not, my friends, look at the ribbon, it's already turned. So do not listen to FUD, because FUD is going to make you lose a lot of money. That's what is going to happen. Now, let's go look at Quant right quick. Let's see Quant, QNT, QNT, USDT, this one. See? You see exactly? If you zoom out, if you zoom out, if you zoom in, this is what you look at right now on Quant. See? Perfect W. 1, 2, we are now testing the resistance. Once this breaks, okay, once it breaks, we are going to again go retest those heights of that $119, $120. Like I told you guys, okay, $119, $120 is not even the price target. The price target is $125, and that is what Quant is fighting right now to try to regain. Okay, so right now, once we get there to that 125, okay, look on the daily right quick, right there. The price will show it way better. Okay, look at that. Price target of the move we're in now for Quant is up there, that 151. I have been mentioning to you guys over and over again. Okay, can you guys hear me? Can you hear me okay? Just let me know. I keep checking because it feels like it gets choppy or something. Just let me know how we are doing. Okay, right here. Okay, so what do you think about the problem, the community, and leadership? We just talked about it, guys. Okay, we just talked about it. It is not. It is a decentralized. Okay, we don't have one leader. If we do have a leader, right? You understand? It has to be the same. Whether it can be sitting on one person, because it defeats the whole purpose of everything. Okay. So, anyways, you see, Quant is showing that strength. We are forming that perfect W. We go 1 and we go 2. Right now, once we hit that 120, 151, Quant is running. Okay, it is going higher than a lot of people think, and I keep telling you, pay attention to July, August. Right now, let's go right quick. Go right quick. Let's go look at see BTC. Let's see Bitcoin, USDT. This one. Okay. Now we're gonna go first on the hourly. See what's going on here. See, this is why again. You see, this is another reason why everything is still like I said. I guarantee you, when we look at Jasmine, Jasmine is picking up because Bitcoin is showing strength. See, ribbon yesterday, like I was showing you guys, curving now turned green, it's still going up, right? People are still waiting. Money is going to trickle down, right? Look at this. Now you are seeing a lot of altcoins start to take off because Bitcoin is also showing strength, right? So, yeah, if you look at it that way, you can even look on the 4 hourly. What do we have? Okay, we are approaching my we are approaching my we are approaching my green line. Right? We are approaching my green line, just like I told you, right? Wednesday, June 4th. We are approaching my green line. And what's that? What do you see price doing? See? I told you, right? Again, I'm not your financial advisor. Just wink, wink. So a lot of people again paying attention to it because many are busy looking at something else, right? So see, it's getting there. Don't say I didn't warn you. It's getting there. Once again, Wednesday, this thing is prepping up to a monumental takeoff, and then pay attention to June 11. We might have this kind of price action again, but yeah, those are the cheat codes I give a lot of people who don't pay attention to it. Okay, so it is happening. Now, if you go and look at even Jasmine, that's why I said for me, for some reason, Jasmine is strongly correlated with the Bitcoin. Say Jasmine USDT. See, price of Jasmine has also started to show strength. See, it has started to show strength, started to go up. So yeah, I apologize if the audio is like this, but you got to understand something. Okay, you got to understand something. The whole market is gearing up for that leg up, that banana zone for Bitcoin to take place. And again, everybody else who didn't pay attention, I told you from May, when everybody was talking about selling May and go away, I told you guys, no, it's not going to happen. That leg Bitcoin started, right? And that's exactly what's going on right now. Many people are just like, yeah. Hey, my friend, how you doing, Jay? How you doing? Yeah, many people can't wait to see, and I'm very very impatient. Wants to see when all this development come out. Everybody who was calling Casper a stable coin, that the price wasn't moving, this wasn't happening. I want to see what they are going to say. Okay, I want to see what they're going to say because, like, again, look, Jasmine is showing that strength again because Bitcoin is also going up. If you look at Jasmine on the 4 hourly, see, yesterday, like I was telling you guys, ribbon was falling, but it was starting to spray out. See, when it starts to spray, that means this price action is going to try to attack it, and that's exactly what is happening right now on the 4 hour. Okay, Jasmine is going straight to it. So yeah, targets for Jasmine, like I said, for me, 2.3 cents. Once it goes past 2.3 cents, we will we'll see exactly probably 3.8 to 4.5 cents. Okay, if you look at, let me see right there. See, that's the first target right there. Okay, and then after that, you're going to see once we go back past that 2.3 cents, we are about to see it try to attack the 3.8 cents, and see right there, 3.8 cents and 4.5 cents. So yeah, this pay attention to what's happening right now to Jasmine. And again, it's going to take off because Bitcoin is about to have that huge run. I told you guys, I'm expecting Bitcoin to hit that 120 to 140,000 in record time. And man, boy oh boy, I'm paying attention to that July August moment. Okay, I'm paying attention to it. So do not sleep on Casper. It is taking the same steps that Quant did. Okay, Quant took those steps developing, and now price action on Quant has begun to show. Okay, the same thing you're about to see with Casper. Casper development is coming out nice and easy, quick and fast, and when this thing goes live, yeah, yeah. Well, You wouldn't say I didn't tell you. I always try to be, give you those wink wink moments, because we want to make money. We want to go from zero to millionaire status. Look at that camp over there. Uh everybody else expecting money to trickle down. Trust me, a lot of people are going to get left holding the hot potato. A lot of people will. And that is something that I do not want. I don't wish it for anybody, guys. I don't. As a trader, we always want to be there, like make money. Losing money is not part of this my millionaire journey. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for joining my live stream. I'm kind of how do I say this? I am kind of tuning things. I'm making sure that they run better. Well, next time I do a live stream, I have my phone already and it's working perfectly. I am going to go with my phone to avoid these choppy actions, to avoid the voices and all that stuff happening. Because I think the culprit here is the internet here. Okay. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Until I see you in my next one, please take very good care of yourselves. Okay, and bye bye.